Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add volume control settings to your menu bar for Mac OS. So, when you actually go to your volume controls right over here and you click on it, you can actually access the sound and the volume just by going here. And the problem is that it takes multiple clips to actually get to the input and the output, and sometimes it doesn't even show the input settings in your sound menu bar. So what you can actually do here is go back to the volume controls and then click on sound and drag it over to the menu bar. And now you actually have easy access to your volume input and output. And to access the output and input at the same time, you can actually hover over the volume icon and then hold Options key and then press it again. And now it actually shows you your output and your input, and you can access sound preferences here and then manage your input volume, see your input levels, and then vice versa with output. And then you can also add sound effects through this menu option for your computer. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.